presentation on the topic social differentiation and inequality. Introduction. Uh, everywhere, everywhere, individual and societies differ. In a society, people are absolutely equal in all respects. Differentiation is the keynote of human society. Society rests on the principle of difference and inequality. Second point, differences are inherent in the very nature of society. In all societies, there is social differentiation of the population by age, sex, occupation, and personal characteristics. Now, third point, there are no egalitarian societies in the world. Societies are marked by degree of differentiation and the nature of stratification. Causes of differentiation by target person. Number one, possession. Possession refers to mainly material possessions such as money, wealth, um, property, and all other valuable utilitarian material objects. People do not have an equal distribution of these material expressions as contributed that's which has contributed to inequality or differentiation. Qualities. Quality refers to the intrinsic capabilities of people to undertake to do a task. Their qualities are not equally distributed. For example, physical strength, intelligence, beauty, courage, etc. Their internal qualities are not equally distributed. Therefore, uh, it leads to inequality. Number three, performance. Performance refers to execution of the task in a given time under a given situation. Performance are always judged first according to the product or resources. Secondly, they are judged according to the manner and the style they perform. Performance are always subject to regulatory norms. When the norms are violated, performance are often disvalued regardless of the results. Possession, performance, and qualities are closely related. Material possession, like health, may help a man to develop his qualities, which may better his performance. Similarly, qualities may help a man to make possession or to acquire material possession. For Harlambo, stratification is a particular form of social inequality and it refers to the presence of social groups which are ranked one above another, usually in terms of amount, power, prestige, and wealth the member possess. The term prestige is used to refer to the approval, respect, administration, or deference a person or group is able to command by virtue of his or its imputed qualities or performance. The term ranking is generally used to refer the degree of prestige. Those who belong to a particular group or stratum will have consciousness of kind, a common identity, like interest and a similar lifestyle. The Indian caste system provides the best example of social stratification system. The term stratification denotes the process or condition in which layers or say strata of persons or group are ranked differently. Standards of evaluation vary from one social system to another and from one situation to another within the same social system. Social differentiation. Social differentiation is hierarchical ranking of social groups based on equal levels of wealth, power, social status. Social differentiation is a form of division of labor where the members are distributed according to their social groups. Social differentiation or stratification means there are layers or strata of people in society. Social stratification. It means a higher social hierarchy or evaluation ranking reward system. People on the top are considered better than those at the bottom. The definition of better depends on the criterion of evaluation, braver, smarter, stronger, and purer. People are not different, but they are seen superior and inferior. characteristics. They persist for a long time. They are resistant to change, conservative. Caste system. The word is derived from the word casta, meaning pure. In a caste system, one's rank is determined by birth based on ascribed characteristics. Number one, separation in matters of merit and contact. Number two, division of labor. Number three, hierarchy in which one group is regarded as superior to another. State system characterizes the status hierarchies found in Europe prior to capitalism. Membership in the church was not based on ascribed characteristics. However, highest ranking within clergy come from the first state. Like the caste system, position in an state system is determined at the birth. Contact is permitted but generally impersonal. Social inequality. On the other hand, the term social inequality simply refers to the existence of socially created inequalities. It is not biologically based. For example, whites might claim superiority over blacks. There is probably no relationship between genetical based and socially created inequality in traditional Hindu society. Social inequality is a condition in which members of society have different amount of wealth, prestige, and power. It entails on equal rewards or opportunities for different individuals within a group or groups within a society. If equality is judged in terms of equality of opportunity or equality of outcome, then inequality is a constant feature of the human condition. Sociological view of social inequality. Marx and Weber's view. Max Weber explained social inequality in terms of relationship between class, status, and party. Karl Marx explains inequality in terms of the ownership of wealth and the control of material possessions. Functionalist view. Functionalist theories believe that inequality is inevitable and plays an important function in society. Social inequality leads to meritocracy based on ability. Conflict view. Conflict theories, on the other hand, view inequality as resulting from groups with power dominate less powerful groups. Socio-political inequalities like number one, gender inequality, inequality in family, education inequality, class inequality, women inequality in decision making, political participation inequality, etc. Economic inequalities, employment inequality, poverty inequality, wage inequality, income equality, labor force inequality, health inequalities, health disparities, nutritional inequalities, healthcare inequality, food intake inequality. Conclusion. Social differentiation is based on ascribed stages. It is a strata or layer of differentiation that has been existed from ages. Social differentiation cannot be changed, it is fixed, such as caste, race, etc. Social inequality is based on inequality among social groups created by people itself. We can bring a small change on it, it can be changed. We can see disparity in many forms, such as health, education, employment, etc. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.